Okoro?
Papa.
Now waiting.
You get people who come here. Every question that you say yes, sir. Because if you say yes, sir, that will send 100,000 in your account.
You mean if anybody come here ask me any question, I go say yes, sir?
Yes.
You mean if I say yes, sir, then go just send 100,000 into my account?
Yes.
They don't come?
Yes. Papa, remember, any question that you say yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Every time they go just collect my things. Now today on them go enter station no. Officer see him papa.
You mean papa? My papa be this?
Yes sir.
Good afternoon sir. I am Inspector Wampi. Here's the Kudele one from police state quarter. This woman where they here complain to us. Say your pikin can't thief in goat. She be na goat abi.
His bread officer.
Na couple bread na he carry me come.
Yes sir.
No. Na bread na he carry me come.
Bread na bread in son come thief for my shop this morning.
No wala. That one I buy the way. Say your pikin thief na thief. Say your pikin thief in bread. And we are here to arrest him. And remember, whatever you say here will be used against you at the court of law. So you better keep quiet and obey whatever I say. We are here to arrest that your son. Now, is he around?
Yes, sir.
Then can you show us where that your son is? Oh yeah, show us, make we arrest him. Sharp, sharp, show us, make catch him. Show us, sharp, sharp, now catch him. That's my job.
Okoro? Yes, sir.
Oh, you name Okoro?
Yes, sir.
When they may arrest him, when they?
Yes, sir, now.
Yes, I say what happened. When they now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, now.
Which one be yes sir now? Which today on your talk come be yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Yes. Talk well now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, madam. Are you sure say this man where you carry me come
yes,
here?
Sir.
Say make I come catch. Are you sure say you no get a mental?
Yes sir.
Are you sure what I'm saying?
Yes sir.
Which one be yes sir again? This one they talk yes sir, you they talk yes sir. Which one be yes sir
yes,
again?
Not be yes sir in the answer you.
Then you walk off for them.
You answer me answer yes sir. Me na yes sir na the answer be the answer.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure what you are saying?
Yes, sir.
Say no be mental.
Yes, sir.
You only you waka come.
Oh, you too, if you follow them, they say yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. As you ask, I answer yes, sir. Now, yes, sir, be the answer now. Yes, sir.
And they complain, say the yes, sir, when they reply to me, they annoy me, the whole police officer. It's the Kudele, Inspector Wampi. And they are here telling me yes, sir, also.
Sir.
Yes.
I beg, any 100,000 for me?
Hey! In fact, madam, according to 1999 Constitution, Section 247, 40, 30, 100, it says, if you come to arrest, person will get mental, leave her, catch that person, we call them police, and now
no,
you are under
like
arrest.
Sir, how you go arrest?
I'm arresting you for insulting a whole Inspector Wampi.
How they go eat my bread?
Hey!
And go no.
A whole Inspector Wampi to come and arrest a mental sufferer.
Bring your son out, oh, thief, bring your son out.
Madam, you're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Yes, sir.
No, officer. Officer, no.
You're under arrest.
Yes, sir.
How can you call a whole police program? So come on now.
What the 100,000?
You be mumu. You think say they wise?
Hey! Pia? Wait, you know. Be like say this boy use my brain, oh.
Hey! I hear me.
Okoro!
Yes, Papa.
Come here. Say it. Okoro. Wait till you tell me make I tell these people when they come.
Papa, na yes, sir. Yes.
Hey!
Yes, sir. Okoro, make I ask you. You think they are brave? That tinkry bread. Hey! I said it, oh. This boy use my brain. Hey!